Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl and welcome to Tipsy Tuesday. I am a little bit late with it. I'm sorry about that. I haven't felt good the past few days and I fell asleep, and so I didn't get it out. Didn't get it put out in time. This week I want to do a segment on heat and bond. Now, I don't know if I can get that to show up. It's a no-sew adhesive and iron-on, okay? Now you can buy this in the sewing section where you're sewing threads and different things for sewing this. Now this kind of stuff, it's actually a sheet like this. It's actually bigger than this, but it's just a cut down to size. And I know you cannot see this on camera. It has almost like a fiber on here. And what you do is you lay this down on a fabric and you iron the paper side of it. Then when it cools, you pull this paper off and lay your fabric over the top of it and iron it. And it actually glues it together. Okay, and you just throw the paper away. But this is kind of what it would look like. You're not going to be able to see the fibers on it; they're just too fine. But that's what that's what it looks like. Some uses for this for repair, such as I'll be showing in my videos. You can also use it to hem with. You can use it to stiffen fabric up, to make it sturdier. I use it if you look through some of my cross-stitch videos, you will see that I make Christmas bags using this stuff to make the bags sturdier, but also to put a backing onto my Aida cloth so you can't see through it. You can also use it for decorating. A lot of people that do quilting and crafting with fabric will make applique, and they use this for their applique to attach the different applique pieces to their project. You can use it for putting patches on, and I'm not talking about patches for repair work, but I'm talking about decorative patches. A lot of times you will see patches that you just have to iron them on. Well, on the back of those patches is this stuff. And you just simply take the patch and just iron it onto whatever you want to iron it onto. Or you can create your own patches by using this. Or if you buy patches that's not an iron-on. So it's good for a lot of different things. As seamstress use it for their collars, the necklines, sometimes the cuffs. Excuse me, throat's still a little sore. But you have a stiff collar. That's because this stuff is in it. Makes it a little stiffer. So you can use it for a lot of different things. You don't have to be able to sew to use this stuff. You just need it. You need to attach things together. Now this here says that you can use it for fabrics, patches, denim, leather, suede, and appliques. I have never actually tried it on leather. I don't think it would be the heavy-duty leather. But, I mean, you can use this for a lot of different things. So don't neglect this if you want to do a project and you don't know how to sew. This might be just what you need to do repair work or whatever. So I wanted just to do a video on this, since I'm going to be doing the series on jean repair, and I had mentioned that. So now you have a new thing you can add to, helping you out in everyday life. This right here. All right, y'all have a nice day. Bye.